To start a new Google Jam, once you're on jamboard.google.com, you will click the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner, and that will open a new Google Jam for you. Once you're in your Google Jam, your tools to use on the digital whiteboard are found on the left-hand side of the page. You have a pen tool. Once you select the pen tool, you are then able to select pen, marker, highlighter, or paintbrush, and then you have these 6 colors to choose from. You simply select the color, and then you can use that to draw or to write. You then also have an eraser tool that, again, you just select it to activate it, and then you can erase whatever you like on the screen. I'm going to skip over the arrow select key for just a moment. Your other option is a sticky note. So once you select the sticky note, this box will pop up. You can select a color for your sticky note or no color. We'll select this pink color. You can then type in what you want your sticky note to say. And once you do that, you will click save, and that will appear as a little sticky note on your screen. Once you're done using the sticky note, you would just click cancel. Once your sticky note is on the screen, you can go now to the select tool and you can move that sticky note wherever you'd like. You can adjust the size of it as well. Underneath sticky note is the option to add an image. So if you select that option, you can upload an image, you could do a Google search, you can use images from Google Photos. You can search for your image, select the image that you'd like to add to your jam, and simply click on select. Once the image is there, you can also adjust the size of that image or move it wherever you'd like on your screen. The last option is the laser. You would typically use that if you were using this jam, say in a Google Meet, to teach a lesson with your class. You would select the laser option, and then you can highlight some information on your jam for students to pay attention to. You'll see that the laser does go away after that you use it. So it's just to draw students' attention to a certain point on the jam. You can also select a background by clicking on background, and you have some different options. The clear background, the white background, you can select the dots background. You also have a lined background, so it looks like a sheet of notebook paper, a grid background. There's also a grayscale grid background, the blue background, and the black background chalkboard option. You also have the option to clear the frame if you wanted to erase everything at one time. You can add additional pages to the jam by selecting the arrow key and selecting another frame, and then you can have multiple pages to this jam. You just toggle between the arrows to go back and forth between the pages. And like other Google products, it does save automatically. As you're working, to go back to your Jamboard home, you click on the button in the upper left-hand corner, and it'll bring you back to your Jamboard home, and there is the jam we were just working on.